Find out ratio of one electromagnetic unit of charge to the one electrostatic unit of charge. Now relations between Coulomb and electrostatic unit of charge. Electrostatic unit of charge is stat coulomb, and relation is 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 9 stat coulomb, where stat coulomb is electrostatic unit. Electromagnetic unit of charge is ab coulomb. It means absolute coulomb. It is electromagnetic unit, and 1 absolute coulomb is equal to 10 coulomb. So ratio 1 EMU of charge, it means 1 ab coulomb, and that is 10 coulomb, divided by electrostatic unit of charge, it means value of stat coulomb. 1 stat coulomb is equal to 1 upon 3 into 10 raised to 9 coulomb. From this, so answer is 3 into 10 raised to 9 into 10. So 3 into 10 raised to 10. Thank you.